All lovely people, hope you're well. Welcome back, Druids at the Shine. How is everyone? I just got myself a brew brewing. Thought we'd have a little chit chat, just do a little video. Now I'm in the unit. We're on the 3rd of December. Oh, that reminds me. Got to change my Top Gear calendar. It's the last month. And I don't know if you've seen, they've just done the Top Gear Awards, so the new calendar's out. Yeah, it was a brilliant video. The videography was just really good, just obviously on the gimbal. But it was just nice and smooth, and is it Jake who does the talking? He's really good, so I really enjoyed it. So let's have a look. Oh, October, November. Let's flick it over. What we got? The Lotus Avaya. See, that's quite nice. So put that back up. So I'll just do my bag. So what I thought I'd do is, I just thought, as we're in the unit, we've been out today delivering cars back. So I've been out to South Birmingham, which is obviously in the UK for anyone watching this abroad. Absolutely peed down with rain. I got soaked. So then I had to get a lift back. It's about 16 miles. So it was just a Porsche Macan. Hopefully you'll see some on my social media. If you go on my Facebook or my Instagram, you'll see a few more pictures of that. And I'll try and put a video up on the YouTube. But it's just a bit of time, a bit of editing. But hopefully we've got a few more things we can share with you that's going to make my life a little bit easier. But today I thought I would just do a little unboxing video. So we've just ordered some products. And for some reason I get excited when I get products, but I've bought them, purchased them, so it's kind of pointless, isn't it? But I still get excited because I got a box and I can't remember what I've ordered. So it's just down here. Let me just do my tea. And then what I thought I'd do is just do a little unboxing video with you guys just to see what I've spent. Probably spent a couple £100, a bit of sugar. Get me milk. There we go. Getting in the Christmas spirit now. I did have some Christmas cinnamon biscuits, but I've ate them all, so I need to buy some more. And I'll try and get some. Well, I'm saying that as if you're going to come round and have a cup of tea. You can if you want. Obviously, if you're watching this from abroad or America or somewhere, then you can't. But anyone wants to come round, have a chit chat, have a brew, have a biscuit, socially distance, it's fine. Oh, that's a good cup of tea. So yeah, so let's get the box. Yeah, it's pretty heavy actually. Oh shit. Got a new gimbal as well, but that's for another video. So yeah, what we ordered, I can't actually remember, so I'm just going to open this as we do, just to see what I've ordered. We've ordered it from Alex at Elite Car Care, so that's where we get most of our stuff from. Delivery's pretty quick. So yeah, this just came the other day. I think it was DHL. I was just finishing off the Macan, and I think there's a few Gion products in there. I think most of them will probably be Gion, to be honest, but I'm not really sure. So, yeah, let's get opening it and show you guys. Well packaged anyway, which is always good. And I know there's loads of foam things inside to keep all the packaging nice. So, make sure nothing leaks, which is always a good thing. Satisfying. Yeah, I don't know why I get excited. Like I say, I've paid for this. It's not as if someone's brought me something and then it's come. I just... Let's have a look. Oh, okay, do you want to know the invoice? Yeah, it was over a couple of £100, so... It's just like, it just goes. We order that much stuff. So yeah, let's have a look. So you can't really see, but inside they've got this these foam. They're like polystyrene, but I did phone Alex just to ask, and I think they are biodegradable. As I say, we're just trying to take some kind of responsibility because as soon as the parcels get here, we've kind of got to get rid of all these. So I did phone him, and I think he did say that these are biodegradable. But what I end up doing is I've got tons of boxes that you can't see just to my right. And we keep all the boxes and we try and keep all these. If we've got to package anything, we kind of try and use as much as we can. So, but yeah, trying to do that as well. And I think I know what one of them is, so I'll get the biggest one out first. 4 litres of it stinks as well. Geon iron, so I needed some of that. What I'll do is just move the box over a touch. So yeah, as you can see, they're all packaged well. Alex puts like double bags in. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to try and send these back to Alex once we get enough. Because again, I don't know if any other detailers want to get on board. If we can just send these back and recycle them and get Alex to use them again, it's probably good. It's one of them, innit? But I don't know if it's going to cost more to do it, but I feel like I'm trying to do something. So I've got quite a lot that are over there. So anything that's packaged up, I'll just keep. And I might put them in a little bag, another bag, a seal bag, go down to our post office and try and send it back, so at least we can recycle these, because it kind of seems a waste otherwise. I don't want to try and throw it away. So I'll just put that to one side. Hopefully it hasn't leaked. No, Geon iron stinks. So I've ordered 4 litres of that, because we tend to use it on the body. They've just released some other products, which we'll talk about. There was like a Geon show, because there was no SEMA this year. So there is some wheel-specific iron remover now, but we like this one because it's quite effective and it kind of gets into all the little areas. It's not that thick, whereas the wheel cleaner I think will be slightly thicker. So that was the first thing that we needed. Should we see what else? As I say, most of these, or pretty much all of these, will just be Geon products. Yep. And I think they're working on different packaging as well, and some of the labels might have changed, but I'm not too sure. So Geon foam, again, comes in a nice white bottle, which is quite nice, slightly different. And then we've got Bathe Essence. We get through quite a lot of Bathe, so it's probably more cost effective if we buy the concentrate, which this one is, which is the Essence. So that's that. And then some of these as well will just be for demonstration as well. We've got some shelves, and then when we can buy enough of them, we'll try and maybe stock a bit more. So tar, wet coat, which comes in orange, which is quite distinctive. And again, we've got some wet coat essence. So what we do is we just keep one bottle and then we mix the essence into that. We don't tend to use too much of that, but it's just nice to have anyway. And then we've got some Bathe Plus, which is in the new bottle. The ones we've got are still in the old bottle, which is just over to my right on a display that we've got. So there we go, that's that. And again, different size bags, so we'll just keep those, as I say, and try and send them back. We've got some other products as well. We've got some more Geon. So I've ordered a smaller iron as well. So one for the shelves, and then we use a litre bottle when we're normally out. So that'll just go on the shelves. So there we go. Oh, fabric coat. Oh yeah, just a little fabric coat because it's quite expensive. Again, we'll put that on our display. And then we've got, we've got some other stuff here. I ordered loads. Geon rim. Again, I needed that, but I found another bottle with a little bit more in, and I thought I'd need it, so I need to order another one, so I've just got another bottle. So that's that. And then we just got some pads, these eccentric heavy cut pads and the fine cut pads. So they've got those for the polishing machines and the polishing system. And what else we've got? Oh, like a wheel. Like a lug nut cleaner. So I just saw that and I thought, that's quite good because I'm normally getting a cloth in where the lug nuts are. So you just pop that in and then it's just very soft foam. So we've got a bucket that we fill with wheel soap so we can kind of get inside the lug nuts. So that's quite good as well. And then we've just got some foam detailing brushes. Not that exciting, but if we're doing trim and you want to use like a little bit of the trim restorer, we can pop those on the foam applicators and get really precise where we actually want to put the coating. So again, that's quite good. And we got a bit of Biltamba stuff. Oh yeah, I saw this. This is quite new. It's a hand sanitizer, an alcohol hand sanitizer. But Biltamba, well, that's quite nice. It's a gel. So Biltamba do some really nice products. They're a UK-based company, and they've just changed the packaging, which is quite nice. Just plain white bottles, which can be recycled pretty easy, I think. with a nice blue logo. We use quite a lot of theirs. Their auto wheel's quite good, and then they've got some other coatings and stuff that we use. The underside of the van, you've probably seen, we've got a big, it's called UB, I think. It's black, so we spray it on the car to stop the rust, and it's working well on the Caddy. So we got that. And then what else we got? Actually, there we go. We got some auto wheel. So their wheel cleaner, it's quite nice smelling actually. It's not as strong as the Geon. You just got to trust me on that because you can't smell it. But it's quite thick as well. And it's got a nice colour, well, say it's a colour, it's got a different colour to it, but it works really well as a wheel cleaner. So that's auto wheel, so that's another one. And then we just got a few brushes, just a few detailing brushes. So these are called Valet Pro. They're an English company again, then they're really, really soft. So we just got them for detailing and like doing trim, like when we're washing the cars. So as you can see, they're like they're chemical resistant apparently. And that one's really long, which is nice. And then we've got this one. These bristles are quite soft. If you feel them, again, you gotta trust me on that one, even though I've got a big beard. But yeah, you got Valet Pro stamped on there, chemical resistant. So again, we don't use, on painted black rims and things, we wouldn't use these on wheels. Again, it's just where we might just do a little bit of agitating, that's all, nothing too heavy, so that's why we've got those as well. So, and then just a few triggers, and then we've got a Geon. Not sure what's happened to that though. Looks wet. A Geon brush, like an interior brush for the leather, but I'm not sure what happened with that one. It looks a bit, compared to the one I had before, it's gone a bit yellow. It looks a bit weird. No one's gonna notice anything, but anyway, so we got that as well. So pop that at the front. I think that's it now, folks. Let's just check. Oh no, still going. Oh yeah, just a polish. I saw this and I haven't got one. We've got rotary polisher. So just to polish the tailpipes inside, you just put the polishing ball, I think it is. You've probably seen those. Again, I haven't got one, so I just ordered one. I think it was like £6 or something. And then you might be able to change the actual foam once that one gets dirty, so that's good. So I forgot about that. But I think that's it. No, I think that's it. So there we go. Not a bad little hoard. And just pop those over there. Put the rim there, the bit there, that there. Hopefully you can still see all that. I'll just put that over there. So yeah, there you go, folks. Actually, I'll get rid of those. They're just some of the spray heads, but again, Geon have released quite a lot more. So recently there was a Geon show, which we'll just do another video of, and we'll try and just do a bit of editing, and then we'll try and link some of the products that they've got, like APC, they've got different packaging, they've got quite a few exciting things coming out. As I say, we just ordered some of the stuff that we actually use on a regular basis, like the tyre, the foam, and again, bathe essence. If there's anything else, videos and things, to be honest, there's loads of videos on how to use the products. We're trying to do more videos. As I say, we're in the unit now and we're settling in. Got some of the lights fitted. We've still got a lot more we want to do, but I've just got to be careful with funds. Winter's coming, we've got to get through Christmas and into the new year, but things aren't looking too bad, should we say. It's not perfect, but I've got through this far, so hopefully things will just get better, hopefully. So there you go, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Only a little video, as I say. It's a bit boring really listening to someone open boxes, but it's quite exciting because I like to get them. So what we're going to do now is just put all these on our shelves, on our display, and then the rest of them we'll just put down where our wash area is. So we buy it in bulk and then we put all those down by the wash area. So, okay folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If there's anything else you want to know or tips, tricks and things, leave them in the comments and I'll try and do it. As I say, I'm on my own. And when we're washing cars, we tend not to do a lot of video because it's a lot of taking the camera off, it gets dirty, if it's raining, kind of only me. So we tend to try and just wash the cars or do it once and film it, and then we just do it and then pull the car inside, if you know what I mean. So we just want to try and get it done as quick as possible, really, like removing wheels, doing the under arches, detailing the wheels. You'll see on the video, we're just on the Macan. We've just coated the wheels, so we showed you how to do that. But yeah, if anything else comes in, we'll do as much as we can for you guys. So, all right, thanks a lot, folks. Take care, and if I don't see you before the 25th, have a nice Christmas. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.